Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about the dashboard in Power BI. A dashboard in Power BI is a single page interactive canvas that provides a consolidated view of the key business metrics and insights. It is designed to offer a quick and comprehensive overview of the most important data, allowing the users to monitor the performance and track the goals, and also make informed decisions at a glance. Dashboards pull together visualizations from various reports and datasets, presenting them in a coherent and easy to digest format. Now, let's talk about what are the different significances of the dashboard. The first one is the real time insights. Dashboards can display data in real time or near real time, ensuring that the users have the latest information to guide their decisions. The second one is the interactivity. Users can interact with dashboard elements such as clicking on the visualizations to drill down into details or applying the filters to view specific data subsets. Next one is the centralized view. Dashboards bring together data from multiple sources and reports, providing a unified perspective on business performance and trends. If we talk about the key features of the dashboard, the first one is the single page interface. Dashboards are designed to fit on a single page, providing a snapshot of the key metrics without the need to navigate through multiple pages. Also, it provides at a glance summary, which is basically visualizations on the dashboards are being summarized into the data, highlighting important trends and outliers. The next one is the interactive visualizations. In this, the first one is the drill down capabilities. Users can click on the specific data points within visualizations to explore more detailed information. The next one is the filters and slicers. Dashboards can include interactive filters and slicers, allowing the users to dynamically adjust the data that is being displayed on the screen. The next one is the real time updates. The first one is the automatic refresh. Dashboards can be set to refresh data automatically at defined intervals, ensuring that the displayed information is always current. Then we also have the live tiles, in which the visualizations connected to streaming data sources can be updated in real time, providing up to the minute insights. The next key features are pinning visuals. In this, we can pin the visuals from the report. So visualizations from different reports can be pinned to dashboards, enabling a composite view of the data from various analysis. It also has the custom styles. Users can add custom tiles such as images, web contents, and text boxes to enhance the content and usability of the dashboard. Then we have the collaboration and sharing. In this, we have the sharing capabilities in which the dashboards can be easily shared with the other users within the organization, fostering the collaboration and collective decision making. We also have the sharing through the Power BI apps. Dashboards can be packaged into the Power BI apps along with the reports to distribute to a broader audience within the organization. It also has the mobile accessibility, in which we have the responsive design. So, dashboards are designed to be responsive, ensuring a seamless viewing experience on different devices, including smartphones and tablets. We also have the mobile app, in which the Power BI's mobile app can allow the users to access their dashboards anytime, anywhere, providing flexibility and convenience. So, if we conclude the dashboards, a dashboard in Power BI is an essential tool for data visualization and analysis. It provides a single interactive page that brings together critical metrics and insights from various data sources. Dashboards enable users to monitor the performance in real time, interact with data to uncover the deeper insights, and make data driven decisions quickly. By leveraging the power of dashboards, organizations can enhance their analytical capabilities and drive better business outcomes. In the next session, we will be looking at how can we create these dashboards in Power BI. Thank you.